Ahead of the 2025 Gender and Inclusion Summit GS-25, stakeholders are setting the stage for a bold rethink of what inclusive development truly means by not just representing new voices, but placing them firmly at the center of the conversation. At the just concluded press conference held in Abuja, Executive Director of the Policy Innovation Center, Osaso Idirisu, emphasized the urgent need to move beyond traditional narratives and reflect on lived experiences of marginalized groups, including vulnerable children and trauma survivors. According to her, the summit is now focused on bringing those voices into the room and leveraging technology and collaboration to tackle inequality. Slated for September and hosted by the Policy Innovation Center in Abuja, the GS-25 summit adopts the theme New Voices and New Approaches for Accelerating an Inclusive Society.
Things that came out of our conversations over the past 3 years was the need to ensure that if we are building a platform that is truly inclusive, then we have to ensure that the voices are not represented, but that the voices are in the room. As we look through evidence, look through literature, look through where we are as a continent, it became clearer to us that if our platform, the Gender and Inclusion Summit, is going to be truly inclusive, then we now have to solve for bringing those voices into the room. So the theme of GS 2025 allows us to reflect deeply on what inclusive development really means. What is the lived experience of someone who has experienced trauma? What of that vulnerable child hawking on the streets? How exactly can I walk in their shoes and understand how to program and respond to their needs? So for the first time in 4 years, we want to put down all the traditional conversations we've had and ask ourselves that, are there opportunities for us to begin to leverage technology differently? This is the time, better than ever, to reflect on how we can still use the limited resources we have at our disposal to build a truly inclusive society.